Would you like to open a company in Poland? Or you are looking for a job and your new employer requested you to submit certificate of no criminal record? This video will be for you. In this video, I will tell you how to obtain a certificate from the Polish National Criminal Register. Also, as always, please remember to subscribe to my channel and leave the like below the video. National Criminal Register is an official database of criminal convictions and other law enforcement data maintained by the Polish Ministry of Justice. In the National Criminal Register, you can obtain a certificate confirming that you have no criminal record. This type of certificate is needed, for example, from candidates for positions where the law requires no criminal record. What is very important, also a foreigner can obtain a certificate from the Polish Criminal Register. If the interested party comes from a country which is not a member of the European Union, the same rules of obtaining the certificate as in the case of Polish nationals apply. How to order a certificate from the Polish National Criminal Register? A certificate from the National Criminal Register is available in two formats. Please decide which format would you prefer. First, on paper, with a signature and an official stamp. Second option, as a digitally signed electronic document. Where you can obtain a certificate from the National Criminal Register. At the headquarters of the National Criminal Register Information Office at Czerniakowska Street 100 in Warsaw, or at one of the National Criminal Register information points. The full list of National Criminal Register information points is available on the website. How you can obtain a certificate from the National Criminal Register? First, by electronic means. Second, in person at one of the National Criminal Register information points or at the National Criminal Register Information Bureau at Czerniakowska Street in Warsaw, or by authorizing a third party and giving this person power of attorney. Third option, you can send the signed and paid form by mail to the National Criminal Register information point of your choosing or to the registered office of the Bureau. Request certificate by electronic system. To submit an application through internet, you must have a trusted profile or a qualified certificate. They confirm the identity of the person sending the request. Then you need to create an account on the website of the National Criminal Register. It is on its platform that you can submit a request for information about a person. The fee will be only 20 PLN. What is very important, the certificate will be sent to the account in the KRK system in the form of XML file. It cannot be printed, only the electronic version saved on the USB stick or CD may be used. How to receive certificate in paper format? The procedure requires a form to be filled out, signed and delivered along with the proof of payment to the information office of the National Criminal Register. How to obtain certificate step by step? Please follow the steps to obtain a certificate. First, fill out the form. Form is available on website in the section Materials to download. Form Inquiry for information about a person. Here you can find a sample form with translations of respective fields. This is essential that the filled form has your original signature. Second, pay by transfer the amount of 30 PLN. For issuing a certificate into Ministry of Justice bank account. Remember, a proof of payment has to be attached to the form. In a transfer's title, please write opłata za informację o osobie z KRK, name and surname, date of preparation of the form. Please make sure that the amount of money that will reach Ministry of Justice bank account is 30 PLN. Step number 3. Once you filled the form and paid fee, you will have to send them by post or visit in person National Criminal Register or one of the information points. You can send a filled form with the proof of payment by post to the address. Very important! National Criminal Register does not accept forms sent by fax or email. If you are staying in Poland or you have established a representative in Poland, the form could be delivered to the National Criminal Register. In person, in head office on Czerniakowska Street number 100 in Warsaw, or in one of information points located in courts. The list of information points of the National Criminal Register is available to download on the official website. You can also authorize a person to get a certificate for you. The person should have a valid authorization, power of attorney, signed by you. This document should also have the original signature of yours. An authorization should state that the representative is entitled to submit a request for the information on your criminal record and to obtain a response. An authorization should be written in Polish or in English. A fee for an authorization is 17 PLN. If your representative submits a request at headquarters in Warsaw, the payment should be made to the Urząd Dzielnicy Warszawa-Mokotów. But if your representative submits a request in one of the information points of the National Criminal Register, the payment of 17 PLN should be made to an appropriate account of the local authority. So make sure to verify their bank account details for transfer. How long you have to wait? The certificate should be issued immediately after submitting the application. In exceptional cases, the release of information may be extended to a maximum of 7 days. How to fill an application form? In the application for information about a person, the following data should be provided: name and surname and residence address, passport number or PESEL number, family name, surname, names, father name, mother name, date of birth, mother maiden name, place of birth, citizenship, place of residence. In item 11, you should indicate the procedure or legal basis giving rise to the right to obtain information from the register. If a person inquires about himself, he does not need to complete item 11. In item 12, data type, you should indicate the file from which the information is to be provided. No extra fee is charged for selecting several files. There is no need to complete item 13. The extent of the data to be covered by personal information is determined by the provision that requires a certificate from the register, if indicated in item 11 of the form. Language of certificate. The certificate is issued in Polish language. Is it possible to have a document apostilled by National Criminal Register? Unfortunately, no. To have a document apostilled, you should contact the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The National Criminal Register does not mediate in obtaining the apostille. At the end, it should be remembered that only the National Criminal Register Information Office and its information points operating at common courts are authorized to provide information about individuals and collective entities on the basis of data collected in the National Criminal Register. Only the National Court Register is authorized to use stamps with information that a given person or entity has not been entered in the criminal record. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have more questions regarding how to obtain a certificate from the Polish National Criminal Register, please leave a comment. Also, as always, please remember to like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time very soon.